In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in InVideo. We're going to keep this simple and clear, so by the end you'll know exactly how to switch the font on any text in your InVideo project with confidence. The goal here is to make your text look polished, consistent, and on brand without getting lost in menus. First, log into InVideo. Open your browser, head to the official InVideo site, and sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're ready to go. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the editor loads smoothly and your changes update in real time. Next, open your project. From your dashboard or recent projects, choose the video you want to edit and let the editor load. Give it a moment, especially if your project has multiple scenes or higher resolution assets. Once inside, you'll see your canvas in the middle, the timeline below, and the main toolbar across the top. Now select the text you want to edit. Click directly on the text box on the canvas so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or the text properties appear. If you have multiple text layers, make sure you've clicked the exact one you intend to change. This step is important because the font change applies only to the text layer that's currently selected. With the text selected, click on the Font button on the top toolbar. Depending on your interface, it may show the current font name or a drop-down labeled font. This is your font control. It opens a menu where you can browse and choose from available typefaces. Then select the font you want. Scroll through the list or use the search field if you know the name of the font you're after. As you hover or click, you'll typically see the text update on your canvas, which helps you preview how it looks in context. Keep readability in mind. A clean sans serif tends to work well for subtitles and smaller text, while a distinctive serif or display font can make headings stand out. Also consider brand consistency. Using the same font across scenes helps your video feel cohesive. If your project has multiple scenes, repeat the selection on each text layer where you want the new font for a consistent look. And that's it. Done. Your chosen font is now applied to the selected text. Play back your scene to make sure everything looks crisp and aligned. If you change your mind, you can reopen the font menu and choose a different option just as easily. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with a style that fits your message.